Welcome to Fatima Kids Learning. Are you ready for a fun learning adventure? Today we learn about part of body. Let's start with the head. Well, everyone touch your head. Can you feel it? It keeps your brain safe inside. Wow! And look at your face. It has eyes to see, ears to hear, nose to smell, mouth to talk and eat. Now let's move to our hand and arms. Stretch your arms out wide. Arms help us lift things. Hand help us clap. Finger help us hold and write. Now let's go to the legs and feet. Everyone stand up. Are you ready? Kids, are you ready? Now jump. Oh, very good. Legs help us walk and run. Feet help us stand and balance. Let's all jump 3 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow, you are strong. You are super smart. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Fatima Kids Learning YouTube channel.